Ball strikes for Pakistan. Awais Shah is on the way back.
Look at this, great stuff. 2020, great tournament.
Clever, creative.
Got him, and he's broken the stump as well.
Get straighter than that.
Just what
That's
TNT.
exactly what they needed. Azhar has played very well.
Tight as you like, can't get better than that.
Not only has he knocked it out, he's
Oh, bowled him.
Bowled him. Gave himself room looking through the offside, and Steyn has done the job.
Got him, and he's broken the stump as well. Just what TNT. Got him! What a bowler! Oh, he knocked him over. This is the line that Sean Park was
Got him! And goes between bat and pad, and it has broken the stumps.